Peace, quick little think fast. Uh, Using citrine and labradorite to amplify your confidence in your magic abilities. As a matter of fact, I'm also working with ruby right now, but something telling me like the main vibration of like, cause I'm walking and I'm just starting to have like this confidence, because you start to realize that our manifestations go and come from our own mind frame, our own limitations, our own positivity, our own pessimism. You know what I'm saying? And like me working with the citrine right now, I'm starting to feel a vibration of like feeling confident that certain things will manifest, almost like basically giving confidence in your magic abilities. You know, because also labradorite in essence has that magical essence, you know. Matter of fact, the little fluorescent, little rainbow colors, you know, it's kind of, in essence, personifying, you know, the essence of magic, you know, and kind of like that vibration of like anything could happen at any moment on a synchronized level. What's up? Like, so it's like amplifying. Matter of fact, also, I guess too, because it amplifies intuition. So with the citrine amplifying confidence, which citrine does work with the third eye as well, with the citrine amplifying confidence and also in essence amplifying chi energy. You know, the chi flow is what ultimately, you know, allows for certain chakras to, you know, underspin or overspin in essence. You know, and a blockage in chi energy somewhere causes, you know, certain chakras or certain meridians and nadis to, you know, have a certain flow of energy. But, you know, the citrine, you know, amplifies that chi flow through the solar plexus, sacral chakra area, you know, but also with that confidence. So whenever you're looking for confidence and like your abilities to manifest anything, you know, or you're feeling like you want to take that next step in manifestation where the things that you've been manifesting been too small or something, because that's another thing too. Well, we don't manifest certain things again due to our own, you know, belief and limitations, but, you know, we're working with a citrine and labradorite that'll help to almost like a Jupiter energy, like that expansion energy and that boasting, that vibe to really be confident in things, you know, coming to you, you know, with these, no matter what it is, you know. So again, citrine and labradorite, you know, whenever you're feeling, you know, depressed or feeling like more so like depressed towards manifestation, or feeling like you know, you're having struggles in the manifestation area, you know, you're kind of pessimistic about a certain manifestation, you know, work with the citrine and labradorite for that. You know, but that's basically it. This is a Think Fast. Peace. Happy now. Now's the vibrate, of course. Not too far in the future. Not too far in the past. Right now. Peace.